People, welcome to another video. Today we are trying to do a stock inventory control. So let's start. Let's write the title first. And the title is stock control for Mariana's boutique. Stock control sheet for Mariana's boutique. Okay, click enter. Select this to cell I. Click on merge and center. Now let's click from cell A, drag to cell H. Let's increase the size of this. Drag it to increase the size. Okay. Now let's click on the header. The row header. Drag it down to 4. Then let's drag it down a bit. We want to create our headings. So for this, we're going to write product here. Next, we're going to write unit price. Next, we'll write quantity at hand. Okay, next let's write quantity sold. Then inventory value. Next will be sales value. So next will be available stock. Okay, yes, available stock. And last but not the least, let's have our status. Status to know if we have stock or we don't have stock. Okay, click on enter. So let's select the entire headers. Select them. Go, let's put it in the center. Click on, let's click on wrap test. Okay. Now let's change the background color. Let's use the shade. Let's use this. Let's use this green. Okay, now click here. Let's add the background color to this also. Let's use a lighter shade. Okay. Click on everything here. Let's add border to it. So click on tick outside border. Then let's click down also. We need to add borders to this also. Okay, let's go up here and let's use tick outside all border. Sorry, let's use all border. Okay. Click on this. We need to change the color here. We want it to be white. So go to this, choose white. Let's increase the size. Okay. Select this. Let's make it bold. Let's leave the color at that. Let's increase the size to 14. Okay. So product name. So first we have Okay, the unit price for this is 35. Quantity at hand, we have 20 bundles, 20 yards. The quantity sold is 5. So let's just add everything. So this we have Swiss lace. The quantity unit price is 10,000. We have 50 yards. The quantity sold from this is 23. And next we have net lace. 25 for the unit price. Quantity at hand is 10. And we sold 2. Next we have sequence lace. Unit sold, unit price is 5,000. Quantity at hand is 8. So 2. Next we have French lace. Unit price is 4,500. Quantity at hand is 30. And the sold 15. Next we have beaded lace. Unit price is 30,500. Quantity at hand is 25 and sold 15. First we have void lace. Unit price is 10,500. Quantity at hand is 20. And from the 20 they've sold 5. Then we have Ankara lace. Unit price 7,000. Quantity at hand is 15 and the sold 10. Then we have Indian lace. Unit price is 8,500. Quantity at hand is 10 and sold 5. And last but not the least, we have Chantal lace. Unit price is 2,500. Quantity at hand is 12 and I've sold 2. So now for us to get the inventory value, we have to use a formula called product. So here we go. Equals to product, and it's right down here. Use your tab key to call it in. For this, we are going to select the unit price and the quantity at hand. So select this, enter. So the inventory value for this is 7,000. So we're just going to drag down to get the inventory value of the rest. Now we have sales value. We're also going to use the product formula to get the sales value. So equals to product. For this, we are going to use the unit price and the quantity sold. So click on unit price. You can use a comma and click on quantity sold. close our brackets, enter. So we have the sales value of 17,500 for the sales value. Drag it down to get the rest. Now available stock. So we need to check the stock we have available. To achieve that, we're going to minus quantity at hand minus the quantity sold. With this, we'll know how many stock we have available. So equals to, let's click on quantity at hand minus, let's click on quantity sold, enter, and let's drag down. So we can see the available stock here. So we want to use status. Let's know when we need to restock or if we have goods available. So we want to use an if formula that if the available stock is less than 7, we need to restock. If not, is available or is in stock. So let's use the if formula to get that. So equals to if, use your tab key to call it now. If what's available stock. So if this now is greater than 7, what should happen? Is less than 7, sorry. So we need to restock. So I'm going to write, I want to write them in capital, restock. Close your parentheses, your quotation mark, sorry, comma. If not, then is in stock. Or let's write available. Close your quotation mark, enter. So let's drag that one, see. So we can see this is less than 7, restock. This is less than 7, restock, restock. So we want to use a conditional column for all this restock. We want them to be in red. So whenever we have less than that, we'll know that it's showing red already and we need to do what? Restock. To do that, let's click on this. Go to conditional formatting. While we're here, we're going to click on, let's go to new rules and let's click on format only cells that contain. So this is cell value here. So on cell value, I want to choose specific text. So what do you want to write here? We're going to write restock. So let's format. Let's just go to fill. We want it in red and click on OK. Okay. Now we can see all restock are in red. So imagine now the quantity at hand. Let's change this to 20. You can see is available. You can see that. So whenever we have increase in our stock here, we're not going to have this red showing again. Just imagine, okay, just imagine we change this to 20. It's available. So this is how we can make a stock control sheet for our complaints, your shop, your friend's shop, and you can use this also for stock inventory to take inventory for a shop, an organization, or whatever. I hope we've gotten a lot of insight from this. Like, comment, and share. Bye, and see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.